Hey my beauties, my name is Love and Beauty and I want to show you guys my basic makeup look. So first I'm going in with a dark brown pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. And what you see me doing now is shading my eyebrows in. Now I'm going in using the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Fun to clean under my eyebrows using a brush from one of my eyeshadow palettes. Now I'm about to clean the top of my eyebrows with the same concealer but in a different shade. The shade is called Chestnut. Okay, now I'm taking a clean old mascara brush and brushing away any excess from the pencil. And I'm also fading in the front of my brows so it will look more natural and not too boxy. Okay, now I'm going in to moisturize my face with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It's water-based and it's good for oily skin people like myself. I always have had oily skin, so I always find water-based products instead of cream-based products. Now I'm priming my face using the Wet n Wild Matte Primer. This is my first time using this product. with my Maybelline Fit Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 338 Spicy Brown. And I'm going to take just a small amount on the back of my hands to warm up the product. I'm using my Real Technique brush to blend everything out. Now I'm going in to highlight with my favorite concealer, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade 146 Tanned. Okay, now that I have all my foundation blended in, next I'm going in with the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep 35, and I'm using a Real Technique blender sponge to pick the powder up. Now I'm going in using my Maybelline Matte Poreless Powder in the shade 355. And I'm going to place that everywhere that I didn't place my loose setting powder at. Next, I'm using a Real Technique brush to sweep away the powder on my face. Now I'm using my Morphe setting spray to clear up the powder, and then I'm going to go in using a matte finishing spray to give me that matte look.
We rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Okay, now I'm going in with an eyeliner that I bought from my local beauty supply store.
We rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. We rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me.
Okay guys, we are almost done. Now I'm going to take a dark brown pencil that I used from earlier and I'm going to outline my lips. Okay, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this basic makeup look. Please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.